Law of supply. The law of supply is a fundamental principle of economic theory which states that, keeping other factors constant, an increase in price results in an increase in quantity supplied. In other words, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity. Quantities respond in the same direction as price changes. This means that producers are willing to offer more of a product for sale on the market at higher prices by increasing production as a way of increasing profits. In short, the law of supply is a positive relationship between quantity supplied and price and is the reason for the upward slope of the supply curve. Mathematical definition. In non-differentiable terms, the law of supply can be expressed as where Y is the amount that would be supplied at some price P, and Y is the amount that would be supplied at some other price P. Thus, for example, if P greater than P, then Y greater than Y.